our office. Sweetest chocolate boy, love this. Coolest, can't believe you do this. I know you love it, I know you love it. Lovely, lovely boy. You want me, boy. You want me, boy. So lovely, lovely boy. Get it off your chest, tell me how you feel. Say you want me next, say you want me real. In your arms.
I'm so overwhelmed the moment I stepped in the island because just look at that, guys. As you can see, Chingus, my husband and the others are so busy preparing their equipments because they will do the check diving for later.
This is something about the way I look tonight. Lovely, lovely boy. You want me, boy. You want me, boy.
So hi guys, it's already 6:22 in the morning. I haven't had sleep yet. Pero natulog na ako dun.
What?
Natulog na ako dun sa sa van. Siguro 2 oras lang. And yeah. Tapos Malapasco Island na kami. And yung design naman sa loob. Para siyang makalumang design. Ito medyo creepy. Ayan. I find it creepy. Parang yung sa mga Japanese horror movies na napapanood ko. But wala na akong magagawa kasi andyan na siya. Pero okay lang yan. Parang Disney princess ang atake. Yan. May kulambo pa siya. Aesthetic. Malamok kasi yata dito. For protection, iwas dengue. Anyway guys, it's 6:28 in the morning and around 7 lalabas kami para kumain. Hangin ba? Hangin. Ano yung iko sa akin? This one. The ambience is so nice and it's so peaceful. Look at the guys. It's so quiet here.
So, Kimojol, it's an underwater island, or like just a small information about this island. I will explain later when we reach our destiny, for our diving point. All right, so we make 3 dives in here in Kimojol directly. So we finish our dive.
At the moment, we are heading now to this speedboat which we will use to transfer to the other boat together with my husband and the others. Tatlong dive kasi yung gagawin namin, guys, and so far wala nang ibang pagkain dito sa boat maliban sa sandwich and kape, kaya eto na lang yung kinain ko kasi kailangan ko ng energy. So sa mga oras na to malapit na kami kaya nililinisan ko na yung mask ko. Ito nga pala ay isang anti-fog. Yung husband ko super duper pagod na din yan. And ayan, di nga kami na-disappoint kasi nakakita kami ng sharks not once but thrice. Yun yung ano guys, treasure shark. And nakasakay na nga pala ako dyan kasi pagod na ako kakadive. Kahit wala namang ginagawa. So after the dive, nagkape na lang ako and nakikain na din. Binigay lang ko sa akin ng boat crew, ang babait nila kahit di kasama sa aming binayaran. Nililinisan niya na lang para sa akin. O, diba? VIP! Ayan guys, sobrang sarap nito. Cheers! Jan magkisamnida!
So, hi guys. We will walk around the island today. By the way, it's our last day here. Cool.
So, chingus, kung gaano kami kaswerte na nakakita ng sharks, ganun naman kami kamalas pag uwi kasi sobrang traffic and yung daan pa baha-baha. Umabot kami ng 3 oras dito sa road, guys.
So, if you enjoy the chaotic and the Noe Fun vlog, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!